In C-section, there is one instrument that controls bleeding from the uterus within seconds without tearing delicate tissues. This is green Armitage forceps. Now in your viva, examiner may ask, identify this instrument and tell its features. This is green Armitage forceps, an obstetric hemostatic forceps. A long instrument with a triangular blade at the tips which may be serrated to have firm grip. Even when the forceps is completely closed, a small gap remains between the blades, which prevent crushing the tissues. That triangular, non-crushing, serrated jaw is the key identification point of green Armitage. Now, the examiner may ask, where is it used and why do we prefer it in obstetrics? It is used to control bleeding from the cut edges of the uterine incision during C-section. The main uses include as a hemostat in cesarean section, clamps bleeding edges of the uterus immediately after the incision, and it also reduces blood loss and keeps the surgical area clean. It has atraumatic handling. The serrated triangular jaws grip the tissues firmly. That prevents deep crushing because of the space between the blades even when closed. It can also be used as a small retractor to lift and expose the edges of the uterine incision during suturing. It also assists during closure, hold the edges of the uterus while the surgeon places stitches. Now, the question arises, why not uses artery forceps instead of it? The answer is, artery forceps have tighter occlusion and can crush the uterine tissue, whereas green Armitage hold tissues firmly without traumatically. So, green Armitage forceps have triangular serrated blades with the gap when closed, used to clamp uterine incision edges and control bleeding during C-section.
Visit the playlist for more .viva based instruments videos on Medscope.